एक और सवाल आपसे ये है कि जैसे अभी बात की मीम्स के बारे में, सो एक मीम है जो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ है, मतलब you are responsible for bringing Marvel and DC together with Spider-Man and Wonder
Yeah,
Woman.
we are.
Yeah. So what's your
That was
take on
funny.
that?
I thought that was pretty cute and funny, and yeah, I'm really really happy that whatever's been happening, we've been getting a lot of traction, from a lot of people, a lot of eyeballs, and very very grateful that our trailer sort of created some sort of a stir on the internet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next question.
Hi, Tiger. This is Urvi here to your. Hi.
Hi.
On the
Hi.
left. Yeah.
Since we all know you are a very good dancer, did you have any inputs in terms of the choreography of this song?
No, I really didn't have any inputs. I was just doing what I was told. I'd like to thank, Remo sir, of course, his team, Piyush, Rahul Shetty, and Shazia, of course, who handled the girls. Yeah.
Tara and Ananya, I both have a question for you both also. Since it was your debut film, and this song, which is already a popular song, R.D. Burman song, were you all nervous when it came to performing on this?
Actually, more than nervous, I think we were really looking forward to it because it's such a famous song. It's a song everyone has heard. The fact that Student of the Year 2 gets to have this song is a huge deal. We were so excited. We were rehearsing, and it's just surreal to be able to dance to a song like this.
And I think because we maintained Kishorda's voice, it just felt even more magical. And the video of the song, the old video, there was no dancing to it. Like there was a car and the bike,
cute and
it
sweet,
was very
yeah.
cute and sweet. Yeah. So I think this dancing adds like a lot of fun to it. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti, this side. To the corner.
कहाँ पर ना?
Idhar.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti from Movies Adda. First of all, fabulous song, of course, and
Thank
all of
you.
you are looking very gorgeous. But मेरा question तारा और अनन्या के लिए है because Tiger के comparatively, dance करना उनके साथ is very tough. He's too good. He's just too good. तो उनके साथ dance करना, adding to that question, तो कितना ज़्यादा tough था उनके level को थोड़ा match कर पाना? Was it tough for you? Was it a pressure?
It's impossible to match Tiger's level. Firstly, he rehearses so much, and even though he's so good, he rehearses so much. So when we're looking at him on set and he's rehearsing, we're just like, what are we doing? Because he's perfect.
And
he's
also,
still
every take
practicing.
is a perfect take. So if we mess up in the take, it's very stressful.
very
But he's
stressful.
very sweet, and he never makes us feel like, he's the best.
हाय तारा और अनन्या टाइगर यहाँ पर ज्योति मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब भी रिमिक्स सॉन्ग आते हैं तो क्रिटिसाइज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि ओल्ड वर्जन को लोग पसंद करते हैं तो ऐसे में आप लोग प्रिपेयर हैं कि सॉन्ग कितना लोगों को पसंद आएगा कितना प्रेशर था पूरा शॉट वो करने के लिए और इसके बाद जब आप लोगों के सामने आ जाएगा तो वो कितना मतलब आप रेडी हैं इस चीज़ को लेकर
मैम प्रेशर तो बिल्कुल नहीं था क्योंकि हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि यार हम मतलब एक रीमेक करने जा रहे हैं हम एक ट्रिब्यूट देना चाह रहे थे उन लेजेंड्स को सो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी मीन टू रिप्लेस देम और इट्स जस्ट आवर टेक एंड आवर ट्रिब्यूट टुवर्ड्स देम दैट्स ऑल सो इन नो वेज दैट्स बाउंड टू हैपन बट इन नो वेज कैन वी कंपेयर टू द ओरिजिनल
टाइगर हियर टाइगर
हाँ जी मैम कहाँ पर
हाँ जी यहाँ
या हाय
ये जो सॉन्ग है इसमें आपने स्टेप्स तो लाजवाब किए हैं
Thank you.
लेकिन जहाँ तक गाने का सवाल है
जी।
तो ये आपकी जो रियल पर्सनालिटी है उससे बिल्कुल मैच करता नहीं है
जी बिल्कुल
आप थोड़े से शाय हैं तो इस तरह की लाइंस कभी अपने स्टूडेंट लाइफ में किसी को कही है
नहीं देखो जैसे आपने कहा मैं बहुत शर्माता था और शर्माता हूँ तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माई पर्सनैलिटी पर बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे एक मौका मिला इस गाने पे परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला मुझे एंड आई गॉट टू एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ इन दैट वे
तो थोड़ी घबराहट थी कि आपके टाइप का गाना नहीं है
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल घबराहट तो हमेशा होती है सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ माई जॉब एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ड्राइव्स मी उससे मोटिवेशन मिलता मुझे
Hello, Tiger, Tara and Ananya. My question is for you all. I know that the film is a fantasy, school, all of that. But the trailer and SOTY first also was slammed for, the kind of representation the students have in this school of yours. What message do you give kids who look up to you? They have body images, image issues and the way you all act in the film. So what kind of message do you give your fans? Because your fans are also very young.
I agree with what you're saying. I believe that when we're in school, we have a lot of pressure and there's a lot of stuff going on. So when people go to watch movies, they want to escape from that. So I think we're providing an escape for them by watching this movie. We're not trying to be role models or anything. We're just trying to provide them a moment of happiness and a moment of joy to get away from that stress. So I think that's a better way of looking at it.
It's not a heavy film at all. It's just come have fun. It's a film for the youth. It's a film for the families. And it's just going to be an entertainment sort of experience for everybody. You know, it's just come have fun. Don't bring your thinking gaps.
Yeah.
Come have your popcorn.
Yeah, I completely agree with Tiger and Ananya. I think we're trying to provide absolute enjoyment, entertainment, and a space for escapism for everyone, whether you're young, whether you're older. And I just hope that people in school and college can enjoy themselves as much as we have in St. Teresa's.
Yeah, Tiger. Tiger here. Tiger. Here. अच्छा, ओरिजिनल जो गाना है जवानी
हाँ जी,
दीवानी 1972 का, there is no dancing in the song.
बिल्कुल.
It's just sung.
Yeah, absolutely.
तो इतना प्रेशर था in terms of this is all मतलब recreated the dance, the steps, the choreography. So
I think pressure महसूस नहीं किया मैंने क्योंकि ये इतना अलग है ओरिजिनल गाने से, तो एक अलग टेक है ऑल टुगेदर. आप कंपेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे. I think the only comparison you can have is that we've used Kishore Das voice, of course, and other than that, really कोई आप compare नहीं कर पाओगे sir.
And I think we should give credit to Vishal Shekhar for
Oh yeah,
that.
Vishal Shekhar just
Absolutely.
Like give them a big
Can't say
puppy
enough.
from me, man.
Hi,
That's
Tiger.
really cool.
Tiger.
Next question?
Hi, here.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
You've carved a niche for yourself in stunts and action. So is there like always trying to raise the bar? Like how do you what do you do for it? You have to constantly keep trying new things, and how do you go about? Because you can't be repetitive there.
That's true. As an action hero, it's very difficult to keep coming up with new things and new sort of spectacles for the audiences to see. And I like to credit my team and my directors, for always choreographing me differently. And it's all about, I continually, work on myself day in, day night. So, yeah, that's pretty much how it is. It's just a vicious cycle, but I love to do what I do. Yeah.
Hi, Tara.
Sir, वो पंखा बंद करो ना, please.
Hi.
Thanks. Sorry, I'm feeling cold now.
We're dying.
Hi, this is Tanmaya here from Radiant Music. First of all the best for the movie, and the song
Thank you
looks
so
lovely. I would like to know that the word is really strong that you're making your debut in singing in your next upcoming film. Is it true?
Sorry, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
The word is very strong that you're going to make your singing debut in your upcoming film. Is it true? And would you have liked to sing a song in this movie too?
I would have loved to have sung a song in Student of the Year too, and Karan knows that. But I'm actually not singing in this film. This film is all about dance, it's about kabaddi, it's about the three of us.
Right.
I'm not singing in Student of the Year too, but I look forward to singing in my next.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Hi,
you. Our
Tara.
last question now. Thank you.
Hi, Tara. Hi, Tiger. Yeah.
Right in the front.
Okay, my question is to three of you only. Like, there are many memes doing all around the internet. So, what are your personal favorites, three of yours?
I think my personal favorite is, and a lot of people have been sending me this, is a picture of a very sweet schoolgirl, and then there's my picture, and it's like normal schoolgirls and Karan Johar schoolgirl, and I just think that's really funny, and it's kind of flattering in a way as well, and I really enjoy those.
There's one of me walking away from Tiger, so it's like me walking away from my responsibilities, and then even the one where the three of us, where he's holding both of our hands, like we have different faces morphed on, pizza, choosing this over that, so I think that's really funny,
I don't know. I don't know if I can say the one I like. It's a dirty thing.
Same.
But yeah, I won't say it. But the other one that comes to mind is अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया मैं 4 बंदे को एक साथ मारता हूँ हवा में, तो that's basically how I go about my week. This is how I'd like to go about my week. That's how you tackle Monday, Wednesday.
There's also a really cool one of us in the Marvel DC thing.
That's
saying,
right, yeah.
Avengers coming
Wish
up
they
in this
invented
Tiger
that,
and I
yeah.
walking. That's a really cool one.
That was fun.
Well, you know you're a success when you're a meme, ladies and gentlemen, don't you? Alrighty.
Keep
We
making
can
them.
we can take one more question because it's getting more fun. Can I ask you to have one more question? Okay. Oh, sorry, I get the ishara. You know what? We can't let you go today without you showing us that dance break, Tiger. I know. It's a bit much. But यार कहाँ हो? आवाज दो यार. क्या है? इसके बगैर तो नहीं होना, टाइगर प्लीज.
देखो सच बात ये कि मुझे याद नहीं है वो स्टेप्स और मैं शायद कर भी नहीं क्या मनोज करेगा? क्या मनोज कर ले साथ में, आजा.
So Tiger, would you try?
चलो ट्राई करूंगा.
Try करेंगे?
I'll try whatever जो भी
You're
याद है.
amazing. You're amazing. This is such a sport. You're such a sport. Thank you so much.